Most companies think AI will make them faster, but in reality, the truth is quite different. AI can also make your business dangerously wrong, faster. And the CEOs who understand this difference will dominate the next decade. So the real question is not, should we use AI? The real question is, are we using AI in the right way? For the first time in business history, companies are no longer competing with technology alone. They are competing with intelligence. Artificial intelligence is now entering boardrooms, operations, and decision-making. But while many leaders are rushing to adopt AI tools, very few are asking the right strategic question. And that question begins with the CEO. I'm answering the hardest question I got from a CEO this week. Most founders are obsessed with the how. How do I code this? How do I automate that? But this CEO's question was different. The real question wasn't how, it was why. And here is the expert truth. If you don't start with strategy, you're just accelerating a mess. In enterprise AI consulting, we see it daily. Companies buy tools before they define the outcome. You need an AI roadmap, not a software subscription. This is about long-term engagement. AI isn't a set and forget tool. It's a core business engine that requires top-down leadership. AI isn't a threat to your culture. It's the fuel for your next chapter. Let's stop talking about replacing and start talking about reaching the scale you've always dreamed of. Let's build the future of your business on a foundation of strategy, not just software. I'm here to help you get it right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next AI briefing. Remember to subscribe. What most executives don't realize is this: AI does not just automate tasks. AI influences decisions, and once algorithms begin influencing decisions, they also inherit the biases hidden inside the data that train them, which means the real risk is not AI failure. The real risk is AI confidently making the wrong decisions. AI is biased. If you use it for hiring without checking, you will get sued. This isn't theoretical. It is happening right now. Companies are using AI to screen resumes, but the algorithms are learning historical biases. They reject qualified candidates based on gender, ethnicity, or even zip code. Remember, AI isn't inherently smart, it is a mirror. If your past hiring data contain bias, your AI will amplify it. It is like training a chef with only bad ingredients. The solution is algorithmic auditing. You need to trust but verify. We implement checks and balances to ensure your AI makes fair, unbiased decisions. Don't risk your reputation or your bottom line. I turn the chaos of AI into your weekly unfair advantage. Subscribe to stay ahead. See you in next AI briefing. So if AI can introduce bias, should companies slow down AI adoption? Actually, the opposite is true. The companies that will lead the next decade will not avoid AI. They will deploy AI in a different way, not as a replacement for people, but as a force multiplier for human intelligence. Don't fire your team. Instead, look at the potential. Augment them. Here's the math. Most SMEs are terrified of the AI wave, but the real winners aren't replacing humans, they're upskilling them. Here is the critical expert insight you need. An AI augmented employee produces 3x the output. That isn't just a metric, that is pure profit. We are talking about reskilling for AI as a core business engine, not a side project. Your leadership legacy depends on your employee augmentation strategy. Stop looking for AI tools and start building an AI workforce. Invest in your people or get left behind. AI isn't a threat to your culture. It's the fuel for your next chapter. Let's stop talking about replacing and start talking about reaching the scale you've always dreamed of. Subscribe now, and I'll see you at the next briefing and lead the shift. Thank you. The future of competitive advantage will not belong to companies with the most AI. It will belong to companies that understand where AI creates leverage, where AI removes friction, where AI amplifies human judgment instead of replacing it. This is the strategy of AI augmentation. And for organizations that want to move from experimentation to real operational impact, the journey starts with understanding where AI belongs inside your business. If you are serious about bringing practical AI into your organization, subscribe this channel and start following my AI briefing weekly. Thank you.